If you haven't subscribed yet, smash that button right now, because what I'm about to show you, nobody is gonna bloody believe.
Come on, Sam, pick up the phone, bro. Just answer it, man.
Barely making it out of that weird dimension, something inside me felt different, like I had literal electricity running through my veins.
I don't know how this happened, but if they cross over into our world, it's game over. Someone's got to stop them. All right, mate, let's fly.
This big bloke again.
Big mistake, buddy. You want my quad? You can have it, mate. Detonate.
That should have absolutely wiped him out. There's no way anything survives a plasma overload like that. You've got to be kidding me. The absolute unit just tanked it, and now he's in our world. It's not just surviving. It's feeding off the portal energy. It's actually getting bigger.
Oh, bloody hell. Smash subscribe if I actually survive this.